In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded with information and distractions. Our minds are always engaged, but are we engaging in the right things? Voiceover, with work, school, and other responsibilities, it's easy to get caught up in the busyness of life. We often feel the need to be productive every minute of every day. Voiceover, but what about our minds? Do we give them the time and attention they need to truly rest and recharge? Our minds are like a muscle, they need to be exercised and nourished in order to function at their best. But instead, we often find ourselves engaging in unvaluable things, constantly checking our phones, binge-watching TV shows, or mindlessly scrolling through social media. These distractions may provide temporary entertainment or relief, but in the long run, they do nothing to support our mental well-being. True happiness and fulfillment come from engaging in meaningful activities and connecting with others. It's about finding a balance between being productive and giving our minds the break they deserve. Voiceover, engaging in activities that challenge our minds and allow us to express ourselves can also have a positive impact on our overall mental health. So, the next time you feel the need to mindlessly engage in unvaluable things, take a step back and ask yourself, is this truly nourishing my mind? Remember, a healthy mind leads to a happy life. Are you feeling stuck? Do you feel like you're living the same day over and over? It's time for a change. And that change starts with your mindset. Our minds are powerful. They can keep us trapped in a cycle of negative thinking, holding us back from reaching our full potential. Your mindset is your attitude, your way of thinking, and your beliefs about yourself and the world around you. It shapes your actions and determines the life you lead. But what if I told you that you have the power to change your mindset? That you have the ability to break out of this cycle and create a new, fulfilling life? It's time to make a change. And it all starts by setting a goal, a vision for your future self. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Welcome to 2024. It's a new year, a new you. This is your chance to leave behind all the negative thoughts and beliefs that have been holding you back. Write down your new mindset. Write down your goals. And most importantly, write down the steps you'll take to achieve them. It won't be easy. Changing your mindset takes effort and determination. But remember, you have the power to create the life you want. Step out of your comfort zone. Try new things and break old habits. Push yourself to be the best version of yourself. Speaker, your mindset is like a garden. You must tend to it and nourish it with positive thoughts, in order to see the results you desire. Oh my God, I can't believe it's already 2024. Time is flying by so fast. I remember setting my goals for 2020, thinking I had all the time in the world to achieve them. But here I am, scrolling through my social media feed, feeling like I haven't really accomplished anything. 2020 is going to be my year. I'm going to get that dream job, travel the world, and finally start eating healthy and working out. I'm so excited for all the things I am going to achieve. But as we all know, 2020 didn't exactly go as planned. The pandemic hit and things changed so drastically. I found myself feeling lost and unsure of what the future held for me. I kept waiting for things to get back to normal, but they never really did. But now, as I sit here in 2024, I realize that the biggest change I needed to make was not in my external circumstances, but in my mindset. They say that your mindset can change your entire life. And in 2024, I truly understand the power of this statement. I stopped waiting for things to go back to normal and instead, I adapted to the new normal. I started working on my goals, no matter what the circumstances were. I realized that my mindset was holding me back from achieving my fullest potential. I was constantly making excuses, saying I can't do it because of this or that. But then I started to challenge myself and push through my fears. I stopped limiting myself and started believing in my abilities. And that's when everything changed.